Hello! So today we're doing a flower. And I'm going to be using my Fancy Dancy cup. It's a 2-piece cup. And I'm going to be taking the top off and turning it upside down. Now today's colors is going to be a cover white, metallic gold, a tint of Vermillion, and a shade of Vermillion. And I might even put some pearlescent white in there. So let's get started. Let's see if we can find the middle. That looks good. Start with a white puddle. Okay. Where's my skewer? Had it yesterday. In the middle. Now I'm going to give it a spin. Not a big spin, but a spin. And there it is! Look how pretty! Okay. Let me look at it. Alright, it's still pretty small. Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to leave it right there. Look at that. That's pretty. There's my rose. Fiona, I would love to see you try this. You would rock at this. Well, oh, okay. Well, that was a reminder. That's not your phone, that's mine. Well, it looks like I have enough paint to do another one. So I guess we get a bonus flower within the flower. So how exciting is that? So I have enough paint to do it again. So here I am with another gallery wrapped canvas. But I'm going to pour it differently. Let's pour the colors the opposite way and see what we get. See, I'm covering my canvas first because this is a gallery wrapped, and I want to make sure that the sides are covered. Put this in the middle. Okay, so this time I'm going to start with the shade of vermilion. Skewer. Then I'm just going off of the points that my cup made, and I come to the center. I'm not following any lines, I'm just making my own. Just like that. Just messed up that. Let's move it. There's my flower. I love it. It's better than the first one. How pretty. And all the lacing right here, which that is from the pearl white that I put in there. There's no silicone. but I love it. I think it looks great. Okay, here we go again. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. And I will see you soon.